Ramona Music Center is hosting a do-it-yourself guitar pedal build for electric guitar overdrive and distortion effects. The AustinDrive pedal that we will build is used by some notable guitarists and also at recording studios across the country. The workshop is designed for adults and teens who want to learn about electronics and design their own sound. There are 500,000 ways to assemble an AustinDrive, but you will learn to pick components that deliver the sound you want, install them into the board, and listen to your pedal right in the workshop. Instructors will be teaching the class according to the illustrated plans and video tutorials that you can view ahead of time. We will be using soldering irons, lead-free solder, and hand tools. We'll have a few electric guitars there, or you can bring your own. Join us for a half-day, hands-on workshop at Ramona Music Center.